Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you very attractive and beautiful crochet baby blanket collection, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen. You can contact on this WhatsApp number from all over Pakistan and book your order, customized order of these beautiful crochet baby blankets with any design and in any size with any color scheme. You can see very attractive and beautiful contrasting color schemes are used in these designs, and these designs are having contrasting colors of borders and flowers which are looking very attractive and gorgeous on them. You will see different types of designs, patchwork designing ideas or 2 or 3 row repeat pattern ideas are included in this video. So you will find almost all types of ideas, and in this single video you will find almost 35 plus ideas. You can see some of the blankets designs are also having caps, so you can have a cap and a baby blanket for your little ones. So book your order right now for these beautiful crochet baby blankets. Send the screenshot of the specific design which you want to have for your baby boy or baby girl on 034563000924 and book your customized order with any specific color scheme, and just have it on your doorstep within 10 to 15 days, because every design take different requirement of time, so it will be given to you according to your project. If the blanket will take 6 days to make, then it will be delivered to you within 10 days, and if it will take 8 to 10 days, then it will be delivered to you between 13 to 15 days. So you can see all of these designs are super attractive, and like this one is having a romper set, shoes and hat is also included in this set with a blanket, which is also looking very attractive and lovely. You can see all of these flower designs, and this one is having a butterfly design on it, are looking very attractive and unique. So have these beautiful crochet baby blankets, and you can see baby boy color schemes and baby girl color schemes are used in these designs. So these are for both baby boys and baby girls. So book your order for your little ones, and do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos as well, because if you are interested in learning, you will also find crochet tutorial videos here on my channel, and I have uploaded a crochet baby blanket tutorial video on my channel already. So if you are interested in seeing more videos, do let me know in the comments and I will make it for you. Stay connected to get all types of ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.